Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn decimal representation of rational numbers. Now suppose we are given a rational number 1 upon 5. If we convert 1 upon 5 into decimal, we get 0.2. How do we get that? By dividing 1 by 5. Now this cannot be divided further. This means this is terminating decimals. Decimal expansion that ends are terminating decimals. Now suppose we are given a rational number 1 upon 3. If we convert 1 upon 3 into decimal, we get 0.3333 and so on. This is never ending decimal. See, 1 divided by 3. We get 3 3s are 9, 1, 0, 3 3s are 9, again 1, 0, 3 3s are 9, again 1 and 0, 3 3s are 9, and we keep on dividing, we get 0.3333 and so on. This type of decimal is called non-terminating. Non-terminating means non-ending. Non-terminating, repeating. Repeating means this 3 is repeating. So this kind of decimal is called non-terminating repeating. So we can write 0.3333 as 0.3 bar. Bar means 3 is repeating. Now if we convert 22 upon 7 into decimal, we get 3.1428571429 and so on. So here we can see that it is non-terminating because we can divide it furthermore, and it is also non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. This type of decimal expansions only irrational numbers. Irrational numbers have this kind of decimal representation, that is non-terminating and non-repeating. Fractions or numbers in the form of P upon Q which have decimal representation of the form terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating are rational, and numbers of the form P upon Q which have decimal expansion of non-terminating and non-repeating are irrational numbers. Let us see how to convert a number in the form of P upon Q into a decimal. See, 7 upon 8. Now we have to convert 7 upon 8 into decimals. How we will do that? We will simply divide 7 by 8 and we get 0.7. 8 8 is 64. Remainder we get 6. Again we write 0. We get 8 7s are 56. And remainder is 4. 8 5s are 40. So on dividing 7 by 8, we get 0.875. 0.875. So decimal representation of 7 upon 8 is 0.875. This means this is a rational number. So we can simply convert a rational number into decimal by dividing that number, by dividing numerator by denominator. Now let us see how to convert the decimal into fractions. So if we are given a simple decimal, that is 0.125, we can convert it into fraction very easily by removing the decimal, and on removing decimal we get 1000. So our answer is 125 upon 1000. We can do the cutting and get a answer. Let us learn how to convert 0.1 bar into P upon Q form. Here 1 bar means 1 is repeating. So how we will do that? Let us learn. Let x is equals to 0.1 bar. Here we have let that 0.1 is equals to x. This means x is equals to 0.11111 and so on. Now multiply both sides by 10. Now we will multiply both the sides by 10. Here we get 10x and here decimal will shift one place. We get 1.1111 and so on. Here we have written 10. Why? Because only one number have bar. If after decimal 2 numbers have bar, we will multiply by 100 on both sides. If 3 numbers have bar on them, we will multiply by 1000. So 10x is equals to 1.1111 and so on. Now third step is subtract. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. 10x minus x gives 9x, and on subtracting 1.111 and so on and 0.11 and so on, we get 1. So here x is equals to 1 upon 9. This 9 in multiplication goes to the right hand side and divide by 1. So x is 1.1. So decimal representation of 0.1 bar is x is equals to 1.9. Sorry, x is equals to 1 upon 9. Now if we are given 0.2 bar, 0.3 bar and so on, what we will do? We will simply repeat the steps. X is equals to 0.2, x is equals to 0.2222 and so on. Then we will multiply both sides by 10. Then we get 10x is equals to 2.2222 and we subtract equation number 1 from 2 and we get 9x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 upon 9. This means the number which have bar will be our answer. This means 0.2 bar is equals to 2 upon 9. 0.3 bar is equals to 3 upon 9. If we are given 0.6 bar, our answer will be 6 upon 9. All the sums we can do by repeating these same steps. First, let the number is equals to x, then multiply both sides by 10 and then subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. Now, if we are given 0.12 bar, then on the second step, that is multiplying both sides by 10, we will multiply both sides by 100. Why? Because here we are given 2 digits with bar.